To determine which credit card is right for you, start by checking your credit score, as this will impact the type of card you can get, as well as the associated fees and benefits. You can obtain a free credit report from any of the 3 credit bureaus, or use a service that provides a comprehensive view of your credit score. Once you know your credit score, identify the reasons why you need a credit card. Common reasons include improving a damaged credit score, saving money on interest, and earning rewards. Knowing your motivations will help narrow down your search. Next, compare the features and benefits of different credit cards, considering the various fees and benefits that creditors offer with their cards. Shop around to find the best deal. And once you've found a lender that suits your needs, visit them to learn more about their card. If you're satisfied, apply for the card and start using it. By following these simple steps, you can find the credit card that's right for you.